Welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the best products to help make your life easier. Today, we're going to dive into one of the most popular options for organizing and storing your belongings, the best Joybos Storage Box. This storage box is an absolute game changer when it comes to keeping things neat and tidy. If you've been struggling with clutter or just need a better way to organize your space, this product might be the solution you've been looking for. The JOYBOS Stackable Storage Box is designed to make your life a whole lot easier, with a sleek, modern design and practical features that elevate the entire storage experience. First off, let's talk about the structure and build of the box. Made from high-quality plastic, it's built to last and can withstand a variety of different uses. It has a stackable design, which means you can save a ton of space by stacking multiple boxes on top of each other. This is perfect for closets, cabinets, and even garages where space is limited. Plus, the clear plastic allows you to easily see what's inside, so you won't have to dig through a bunch of boxes to find what you need. What really sets this box apart is its unique front doors and top lid. Instead of having to remove the lid entirely to access the contents, you can simply open the front doors and grab what you need. This makes accessing your items quick and easy, especially when the boxes are stacked high. The top lid still provides a secure closure, keeping your items protected from dust and dirt, but you don't have to remove it every time you need something. Now, if you're using the box separately, the lid opens easily, and you can grab items directly from the top. This is perfect for when you're not stacking the boxes, and you need a quick way to access your belongings without the hassle of opening multiple sides or dealing with complex lids. When it comes to assembly, the JOYBOS Storage Box is incredibly easy to put together. It comes flat packed, and all you need to do is attach the panels, close the lid, and you're ready to start using it. The design is also foldable, which means you can store the boxes flat when you're not using them, making them even more space efficient. As for its size and capacity, it's available in 3 different sizes to suit various storage needs. Whether you need a box for small items or something larger for bigger storage needs, the JOYBOS Storage Box has you covered. The box is also BPA-free, ensuring that it's safe for use in a variety of environments, including in homes with children or pets. If you're someone who values organization and cleanliness, this box is a must-have. It's durable, easy to assemble, and incredibly functional. Whether you're organizing your kitchen, bathroom, closet, or office, the JOYBOS Stackable Storage Box will help you keep everything in order and easy to access. So, that's our review of the best JOYBOS Storage Box. If you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-use storage solution, this could be the perfect addition to your home. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products.